everybody, welcome back to What's Cooking. So today we're gonna cook lobster. Oh no, correct me. It's an authentic South Indian lobster recipe. Before going to the cooking, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit bell, and watch our other videos. We got these lobsters cleaned directly at the store. You have to wash them thoroughly before it's cooked. So let's start with all the ingredients. 1 peeled whole garlic, 1 piece of ginger, 2 chopped and fried onions. 1 full grated coconut fried, few fried green chilli. Fried coriander seeds, cinnamon, cloves, stars. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 spoons of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add all the ingredients in the mixer, add some water and grind it thoroughly. Keep a pan in low flame, add 2 spoons of olive oil. Add 1 spoon of cumin. Add 1 finely chopped onion, fry it properly. Add all the masala in the pan, add some water, and allow it to boil. Add salt as per your taste. Add the cleaned lobster pieces in the pan. Add a spoon of tamarind paste. Cook for 30 minutes with a low flame. Here you go. The authentic South Indian lobster curry is ready to be served. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Also visit my channel, Sihis World, and don't forget to subscribe. The link is in the below description, and do watch my video. Thank you very much.